Hello, friends. My name is Patience Holt, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Maumelle, Arkansas. And if you have a catalog and you're flipping through there looking at the products and your dollar amount gets up there, your wish list is this amount, my shopping list is this amount. It always works out for me because what's on my wish list becomes on my shopping list. So if it gets up there around $90, even $80, why not think about a Stampin' Up! Starter Kit? Stampin' Up! Starter Kit is anything you want to put in there, any product, up to $125 for only $99 plus tax. You get free shipping. You get a free pass paper pumpkin with that. But not only do you become a demonstrator that you do not have to do anything else with it, you get to get products a month early before the public does. That's one of the benefits. I have on my blog 10 reasons. There are 10 reasons why. And I won't go into that, but I will tell you the most unexpected benefit that came to me was in the form of community. I was a part of all these people, all these amazing people. They make the most incredible things, and I'm going, I can do that. And so I started looking around my craft room, which at the time was a bedroom, and it was secluded to an armoire and a couple of tubs of stuff and a shelf. Well, now, as you can see, I have my own little office because I do run a small business, and I love it. I can work it as hard as I want or not at all. And I do not at all when I'm traveling. But I still love it so much. And because of all the people involved in the community, we have a community of crafters that meet in person once a month. That's always fun. You know, get to see your friends. You always can rely on them. And got the same people that have been coming to card class, and we all love it. Another benefit is if you join, you get to see product before the general public does. And you have an opportunity to purchase that product before they do. So who doesn't love that? I always like to get that. And I'm always bugging a couple of my friends. Hey, look at this card. What do you think? And we bounce ideas off of each other. We do team swaps where we make, say, 5 or 6 or 10 of the same card, and we swap and we get 5 or 6 or 10 cards, different cards back. So I love that. I've been on a cruise where we did our regular cruise things, but we also stamped at night and crafted, and our sea days were nothing but crafting. And you could go to that or you could not go to that. It's up to you. And what I'm saying is Stampin' Up! Wants you to be you, but they also want you to be a part of a community, which in the time of life that I joined, I was looking for something. I didn't know I was looking for something, but I was. And my friend Kay, I joined her team, but she heard me under my breath. I'm looking at this catalog going, oh, I have missed this. Because I used to be an avid scrapbooker, going to these box stores and getting things to make a scrapbook. And my kids are looking at it going, maybe one of these days they will cherish those pictures that I have put together, that I have curated in a book for them. I still do that. I have little smash books of things I've put together, little souvenirs of here and there. And I love putting that stuff together and working with my hands. It is a lot of fun. And Stampin' Up! Has given me that that outlet to make my outlook even better. So I wanted to come to you today and tell you, if you are looking for something like that, I would love for you to join my team. I have about 20 people, and we're in Illinois and Ohio, and of course here in Arkansas. We don't always get together, but we meet on Zoom, and we text, we talk. We have a Facebook group. I have a blog that has different things out there, and if I receive something from one of them, I will usually highlight it on the blog and say, hey, look what my teammate did. Look at this fabulous card. And just tell you what all she used to make it, because if I can do it, I know you can do it. So I would love for you to join my team. If you have any questions, email me. And why aren't you on my email list? I would love for you to be on my email list. Go to notesfrompatients.com and there will be a pop-up and you could be on my email list. If you have any questions, email me. Thank you and have a great day.